Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force Windows 11 to use your dedicated high-performance GPU for specific apps and games, ensuring you aren't stuck using weak integrated graphics. First, click the Start button and select Settings. Click on System in the left-hand sidebar. Select the Display option from the list. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Graphics, located under the Related Settings section. You will see a list of apps. If the app you want to optimize is not listed, click the Add Desktop App or Add Microsoft Store App, depending from where you downloaded the app. Navigate to the folder where the app is installed, select the .exe file, and click Add. Now find the app in the list and click on it to expand the options. Here you can choose the GPU preference. Click the drop-down next to GPU preference and select High Performance. You will see your dedicated GPU, like an NVIDIA or AMD card, listed directly next to this option. You must close and restart the application for the new GPU priority to take effect. And that's it! Your app is now locked to your most powerful hardware. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.